Please do not flush feminine products, wipes, tissues, paper towels, kittens and puppies, hopes and dreams. Thank you. When I came here to this Airbnb, currently I am in Tampa, Florida, I really was touched by this. Hopes and dreams. Please do not flush. This is the topic for today. Emotions. How something makes us feel. This channel is about how colors and images makes us feel. Emotions are in a center of our everything, because emotions is our engine, emotions is our drive, and we either move forward or we are blocked just because of our emotions. And I am showing here very easy, very simple exercises so that you can follow them and experience power of colors. And many people do art journaling. I want to talk to you if you never have done any art or any art journal, or even never considered that you are the one. Please start with this video. I made this specially for you. I'm showing in this video how I started, in what place I was. When I started to study art therapy in Canada, I didn't know anything. I was already in my 50s, and I am really sad that I did not know this earlier. Therefore, I made this channel so that I would give you some kind of drive or prompt to try. In this series, I have started to show art journaling. I already walked you through my very first title page, and also I showed you how to do some other pages. And today we came to drawing what you see literally when you look something. 100% of time when you look to the picture and you don't look at all to the paper, and then you are drawing. Playing with art is the way of knowing yourself, getting to know ourselves. We are trained to push down our emotions, holding in because we are too afraid to express how we feel. We have not received in our families, schools, or in a culture, we have not received training that allows us to recognize emotions and feelings, and also notice and call it by name, to tell, literally tell how I feel. Therefore, we are afraid to express, especially those people who are empaths, like me. I am empath. I know by myself that we are aware how other people are feeling. What if what I will say will hurt them? Or what if I will say make them feel bad? And there are mixtures, all kinds of mixtures of emotions going on in us, which provokes us to push down our emotions. And what we do when we take some kind of time out of our day and we do art, like I showed you in the previous videos, and I also will keep showing some examples how you can play with colors, images, with art. When we do this, we take time out of the day, and if we do that, just watch my previous video and you will hear the process, what I am showing you have to happen in our mind. The self-talk, how we pay attention to our feelings, emotions, how we notice, and our artwork becomes our training ground where we do this. And later I also will show not only feeling journals. Currently I'm showing you more feeling journals, but there are many ways how we use art. We use it also to inspire us, to motivate us. We also want to change our habits, or we want to improve something. The color and images, they are super helpful. In whatever area of life you need some kind of adjustment or change. Let me know in comments what you are most interested in, and I will create specially video for you to answer you. So I invite you, just take out a paper and try yourself. It's not so complicated, I promise you. Here very quickly we will draw something. You can take any image. I took this, and don't look to this image as if you would be trying to replicate it or draw a photocopy of this, but just use this image as a reference and just look at this drawing. Don't look at the page at all. look there. And that's it. You just look there. Don't even allow that pencil to come off from the page. I know it's funny, it looks funny that what you draw, but that is one of the best exercises what people use in art to learn to follow more to the drawing and feeling and less to how it looks. Yeah, and now I see it's funny. You see, it does not take long time at all to do something in art. You can draw faces or birds or flowers, whatever you choose this way. You can also look in a mirror and draw yourself. Does this exercise give your connection to your hand? When you are focused on what you draw 100% of time, you learn to trust the reference image. Just you enjoy your time. In therapy, clients have an opportunity to question their relationship with just about anything. They examine their relationship with their job, family, friends, upbringing, thoughts, emotions. Therapy is powerful because individuals get to examine which of their beliefs and habits are serving them and which ones are holding them back from living the life they want. And that quote was from this book. And why did I mention that quote? Because our time with art journal can become our therapy time. If you draw something, you have some kind of metaphors in your head, you have memories, and you sort it out. And that is what our psyche does, that we are working with what comes into our mind, and our time spent with colors and paper with some kind of art, it helps us to re-examine our relationships with job, family, friends, emotions. And that is why I teach you step by step these feeling journals and understanding emotions, that you would be capable to use art as a huge part in your healing journey. And by that I don't only mean like healing from bad things that happened, but we need daily to heal from pressure or stress. We need daily to have just a fun time for ourselves so that we can charge our emotions, so that we can discharge those emotions we don't want to keep in us. And art is scientifically proven way to do this the best. So see you in the next video.